In this video, I'll guide you through how to connect with an ID and password in TeamViewer Remote. Whether you're helping someone troubleshoot their computer, accessing your own device from another location, or offering remote support, these steps will show you exactly what to do in a clear and straightforward way. First, start by opening the TeamViewer application on your computer. Make sure you're using the official TeamViewer app that you've already installed from the official website or a trusted source. If this is your first time opening it, give it a moment to load because it may check for updates or show a welcome screen. Once the app is open, you'll be looking at the main interface where all the remote connection options are available. On this main screen, you'll see a section that shows your own TeamViewer ID and a password. The ID is a unique number assigned to your device, and the password adds an extra layer of security. Together, they allow someone else to connect to your computer or allow you to give support when needed. Take a second to locate these details. They're usually in a panel labeled something like Allow Remote Control or similar, depending on your version of TeamViewer. Next, if you want to share these details with someone you trust, you can use the copy feature inside the app. Look for a small button or icon next to your ID or password that lets you copy them to your clipboard. Clicking copy saves that information so you can easily paste it into a chat, an email, or a message instead of typing it out manually. This helps reduce mistakes and makes the process faster, especially if the numbers are long. Always double check who you're sending this information to, because anyone with your ID and password can request access to your computer while TeamViewer is running. Now let's look at the other side of the process, connecting to someone else's computer. In the same TeamViewer window, there is a field where you can enter a partner ID. This is where you type or paste the ID that the other person has shared with you. The partner ID represents their device. Take your time to enter it carefully, and if you used copy and paste, make sure there are no extra spaces before or after the number. Once the partner ID is in place, you're ready for the next step. Click the connect button in the app. TeamViewer will then attempt to create a secure connection to the remote device with that ID. In most cases, you'll be prompted to enter the password that your partner has given you. After entering the correct password, you'll gain access to their screen and you can start the remote session. Today, I've shown you how to open the TeamViewer app, find and copy your own ID and password, enter a partner's ID, and click connect to start a remote session. Follow these steps each time you want to connect, and always remember to share your ID and password only with people you fully trust to keep your devices safe and secure.